Our spine and our hips hold a significant amount of pressure and tension, and it creates stress in the entire body. It's so important for us to move the body, and this seated practice designed for beginners to intermediate will help you release some of that pressure and tension. All you have to do is breathe and let go. We're going to start in a seated cross-leg position. Place your hands on your knees, palms facing down. Draw your shoulders up towards your ears, and then exhale, gently roll them down. Close your eyes and simply begin to breathe deeply in and out of your nose. As you breathe in and out of your nose, I want you to simply observe and notice the sensations and feelings in your body. Notice where you are seated. Are your shoulders over your hips? Observe and notice any tension and stress you may feel through your knees, your ankles, and especially your hips. If you are feeling pressure and tension in those areas, breathe in through your nose and then exhale out of your mouth. Allow your full day to just wash away with each exhalation. Let go of the pressure and the tension. Deep inhale, exhale. Seal your lips and come back to breathing in and out of your nose, and then slowly begin to open your eyes. We're going to start out with a little spinal flexion. Again, keeping the hands on your knees. When you breathe in, you're going to lift your chest and your chin. Gaze up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, round the back, draw your chin towards your chest. Inhale, breathe in, bring your heart forward, lift your chin. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. One more like that. Breathe in, lift, open your heart, gaze up. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, pause. We're going to move into a little spinal twist. So extend your legs out in front of you, and you may have felt a little pressure and tension there. So just give your legs a little shake, maybe even windshield wiper your feet a little bit, releasing the tension through your ankles, your knees, and your hips. Take your right leg, draw it in towards your chest, and then cross your right leg over your left thigh. Make sure the entire sole of your foot is firmly planted into the mat. Breathe in, lift your chest up, and then slowly begin to twist to your right side. Now you can use your left arm to hug that leg in towards your chest, and then drop your right fingertips behind you. Relax your shoulders, breathe in, and exhale, twist. Now, this is not about forcing your body into a deep spinal twist. I just want you to allow the breath to slowly unravel the tension in your spine. Take a deep breath in, exhale. Deep breath in, exhale. Relax those shoulders. Keep your base leg, the straight leg, fully engaged by flexing your foot. Let's take 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale, exhale, twist. Deep inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your body back to center. We're going to get a little bit deeper into our hips. So you're going to take your top leg, the one that's bent, and cross it over your straight leg. Try your best to stack your knees as much as you can. Flex both feet, and you're landing on the outer edge of your right foot. Keep your hips grounded to the mat. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, start to lean forward so you're hovering over your legs. If you can, walk your fingertips out in front of you. Pause here and just breathe. Now, I do want you to find some ease and comfort here. So if you start to round the back and soften a little bit over those legs, that's totally okay. Just allow your body to let go. Continue to flex your feet though. Deep inhale, exhale, release. Deep inhale, exhale. So not only are you feeling it in your hips, you may be feeling a little bit of tension and stress and hopefully a little release through your hamstrings and calf muscles. And that never hurts. So take 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale, exhale. 1 more breath. And then slowly begin to lift up. Now that leg that's on top, I want you now to open the knee nice and wide to the side and then allow that knee to drape open. Continue to keep the extended leg strong, flexing your front foot. Chest is going to extend out and over your straight leg as you soften and let go of the tension in your right groin. Take a deep breath in, exhale, start to lean forward. Again, if you find a little softness and rounding in your back, I just want you to just let that happen and let go. This is all about releasing stress and tension and unraveling things in the spine as well as your hips. If you want to add a little extra oomph to your body, maybe even grab your front foot and hold on here and give it a little tug. Take a deep breath in, exhale, fold over. Deep breath in, keep that foot flexed, exhale, fold. Continue to draw your hips back as your chest comes forward. Last breath. And then slowly begin to lift up. Let's go on and switch sides. So extend your right leg out in front of you. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Cross that leg over and let's move into our twist. Take your right arm, hug your left leg. Breathe in, long spine. Exhale, gently twist. Relax your shoulders. Drop your fingertips behind you with your left hand, just softening to the earth. And keep that right arm hugging that leg in towards your chest. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, go a little deeper. Breathe in, feel the spine elongate. Keep your hips grounded to the mat. And feel that gentle release in your spine. 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale, exhale. 1 more breath. Slowly bring your chest back to the front and now stacking your thighs, swinging that left foot over to the side. Make sure you're flexing both feet and you're landing on the outer edge of your left foot. Breathe in, feel your chest extend forward over your legs. Walk your fingertips out in front of you. We're gonna hold here for a few breaths. Keep your shoulders drawing back and your heart coming forward. Exhale, soften over a little bit deeper. Take a deep inhale, maybe even grab your front foot. Close your eyes. Keep your hips sinking back and relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Keep both feet flexed and hips rooted to the mat. Last breath. Slowly begin to lift your torso up. Exhale and pause. Give yourself time to adjust and open that leg to the side. Now that your left leg is open, that foot is on the inside of your right thigh. Flex your front foot, breathe in, lift your chest, and extend your heart out and over. Hands can rest on the floor, on your shin, or if it feels okay, reach and grab your extended foot. Flex your right foot, bring your heart forward, and draw your shoulders back. Deep inhale, exhale. Go as deep as it feels comfortable for your body. Maybe soften over a little bit. Breathe in, exhale. 2 more breaths here. Last and final breath. Slowly begin to lift the body up and exhale. Now let's bring the soles of the feet together. Now this is not about forcing your chest towards your feet. I want you to actually inch your feet out just a little bit. So you're creating more of a diamond shape with your legs. This is about folding over, releasing pressure from your lower back, and finding a little ease and soothing of the groins. Hands are gonna rest on your ankles or your shins. Take a deep breath in and exhale, start to fold forward. Allow the spine to round over, softening the chin towards your chest, dropping the head down, maybe even relaxing the arms, and hands can come to the floor, depending on how deep you are able to go. Take a deep inhale. Keep the hips sinking towards the floor. Exhale, soften over a little deeper. Go to your personal max, hold the pose, and breathe deeply. If you're feeling any pressure or tension or the inability to let go, breathe in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Soften the chin into your chest. Relax your shoulders. Take another breath here. As you inhale, slowly begin to lift your body up. Walk your hands back in and come into a crossed leg position. Take a deep breath in and exhale. There you have it, guys. A simple, easy flow, completely seated, to help you unravel and release tension through your hips as well as your spine.